Imagine stepping into a home that feels more like a prison than a sanctuary. This is Jenna's story, a first-time homeowner in Franklin, Tennessee, who took a leap of faith but found herself overwhelmed with family visiting soon. She faced a paralyzing anxiety. Would her home be seen as a failure? Today we're about to witness her incredible journey from a neglected space to a vibrant, welcoming haven. Jenna learned that a home isn't just a physical space. It reflects one's worth. She shared, "I feel like I'm drowning in my own home." The pressure to present a perfect facade was suffocating, but today we're changing that narrative. That's why I created this video. I believe that with the right choices, any home can transform from uninspiring to a hidden gem. If you ever felt like your home is closing in on you, this is your escape route. First, we tackled declutter, a daunting task filled with shame and self-doubt. Jenna expressed, "Every item should earn its place." Decluttering isn't just about throwing things away, it's about reclaiming your identity. If you're feeling overwhelmed, you're not alone. Check out the article link in the description for tips on navigating these feelings and deciding what stays and what goes. Next, we faced her lifeless walls. A simple coat of paint transformed her space from meh to magnetic. Jenna remarked, "I never realized how much this stuff weighed me down." We chose hues that reflected light and calmed the mind, turning her home into a true reflection of her vibrant personality. We swapped out heavy synthetic fabrics for organic cotton and linen. As Jenna said, these materials brought life into the space. No chemical off-gassing, just fresh, natural comfort. With a limited budget for art, Jen and I hit a few thrift stores and uncovered a stunning metal wheel, original and unique. She noted, "You don't need mass-produced prints to make your walls speak. Sometimes the best treasures are hiding in plain sight." Ever notice how luxury spaces nail the details? Swapping out light switch plates is an easy, affordable way to elevate any room. As Jenna pointed out, don't overlook these simple upgrades that can bring joy to your daily life. Now, let's talk about space. Jenna's family needed more of it, but she couldn't build additional rooms. So we decided to extend her living area outdoors. An edible landscape filled with fruits, veggies, and herbs gave my guests something fresh to pick and enjoy, she explained. To elevate the outdoor space, we installed a stunning pergola. Jenna mentioned this structure added architectural interest and created a cozy living area, perfect for gatherings and relaxing evenings. A backyard isn't just grass, it can be an escape with boulders for focal points and reclaimed wood for furniture. My backyard evolved into a space where my family wanted to gather, fostering connections and creating memories. Hate bugs? You don't need chemical sprays. Nature has the answer. Companion planting, lavender, marigolds, and citronella keeps pests away while beautifying the garden. More nature, fewer toxins. Jenna's house went from a suffocating prison to a functional, charming, and sustainable haven. Her family had a splendid time in Tennessee, so much so that her dad is considering leaving upstate New York for this vibrant place. This is the power of vision. The right changes don't just make a house look better, they change lives. And if you're feeling stuck in your home or life, that's where I come in. I'm here to guide you through the process, protect your investment, and help you design a home that truly fits you. Loving your home isn't about what's trendy, it's about what makes you feel alive. How does your home reflect the person you aspire to be? If that resonates with you, hit subscribe and feel free to ask any questions about future transformations you are considering. Let's elevate your space together.